In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicate labels on Microsoft Word. If you're working with a document that contains a large number of labels, such as mailing labels, product labels, name labels, or other repeated information, it can be difficult to spot duplicate entries manually. Microsoft Word provides tools that can help you search through your document and identify labels that appear more than once. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document that contains your labels. Before searching, make sure you know what information you want to check for duplicates. This could be a name, address, product number, or any other text that may appear more than once in your labels. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the Word window and look for the Find option. You can also press Ctrl and F on your keyboard to open the navigation pane. In the search box, enter the text or label you want to check. Word will search through the document and highlight matching results. Look through the search results and compare the highlighted entries. If the same label appears in multiple locations, Word will show each matching occurrence in the document. You can click through the results in the navigation pane to move from one matching label to another. This makes it easier to compare duplicate entries without having to scroll through the entire document manually. If you're checking several labels, repeat the same process using the specific text you want to verify. This can help you locate repeated names, addresses, numbers, or other information throughout the document. Keep in mind that Word's Find feature searches for matching text, so it does not automatically determine whether two labels are duplicates based on their meaning. For example, two labels may contain the same information, but have slightly different spelling or formatting. In those cases, you'll need to compare the entries yourself. Once you've identified the duplicate labels, you can decide whether you want to remove or edit them. Before making changes, make sure you're deleting the correct entry so you don't accidentally remove information that you still need. And that's how you can find duplicate labels in Microsoft Word using the Find feature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,